Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we're going to talk about fixing the Samsung AC error code E154. But first, what does this error code mean? The error code E154 on the Samsung AC indicates that the fan motor or the capacitor might be faulty. The following are some of the common causes of this error code: a defective fan motor, or a faulty capacitor. Now, let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the error. Replace the fan motor. Use this procedure. Switch off and unplug the unit from the socket. Undo the screws to get to the main components. Check for any current using a multimeter, and before disconnecting the wires, label them and take a photo. Disconnect the motor leads, remove the fan blade, and remove the faulty motor. Install the new motor and connect the wire harnesses as labeled. Install the fan blade, screw on the AC cover, and power on the unit to test. Check the capacitor. Test the capacitor for continuity using a multimeter. If the capacitor is faulty, replace it with a unit-specific one for optimum performance. If all these solutions fail, consult a trained technician for further probing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.